Hey, welcome to the channel. Here in the video, we are going to talk about episode App Error Unknown. The error reads, unable to parse, backup your script. If your chapter is 8K plus lines, it may be too large to save. Try deducing the length of your chapter. Before we proceed, we want to let you know that we used AI for the voiceover and some graphics. However, all the information shared has been manually researched and is not AI generated. As per our research, the error comes when users try to save their story, but it fails and affects all stories in the account. According to our research, the error likely happens if the script is too long or there is a bug or issue with the server. To deal with the error, the first thing we suggest is to clear your cache. Once the cache is cleared, reload the app and check if the error still comes. If the error still comes, then log out of your episode account and log back in. After logging in again, check for the error. If the error still continues, then switch to a different device. Simply access your account on another device and check if the error still comes. At last, if the error still persists, then it is probably a bug or a server-side issue. We suggest you wait for some time and try again. Also, you can visit episodeinteractive.com, select the support option, and use the contact details provided to report the issue to the game support. That's all for the video. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. Thank you.